How to download music on Boomplay. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Boomplay application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then what you have to do is just search for the song that you would want to download. So for example, if I want to download this song over here, so tap on the song, and as you tap on that, you'll be able to see the option of download over here. So tap on the download option, and here you can see the option of download. So tap on download and it will just give you some ads over here. Now after the ads are done, it has been downloaded, as you can see. So what you're going to do is we're going to go back and then tap on the library option and then tap on downloads and local music, and here you can see the song has been downloaded. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.